Hello everyone, today we're looking at this rather large box on a small pallet all the way from China to the UK. So let's have a look inside the box. Here we have the Quickwheel Explorer GT 2024 model. So inside the box we have the instruction manual and loads of foam packaging. Everything's been well protected during transit. Let's get it out of the way. Bop. And that one too. Yep. It's all wrapped up nicely. Nothing looks damaged. So there she is. Looking really well. So getting out of the box was a bit tricky. It's quite a heavy scooter. It weighs around about 55 to 60 kilograms. But I managed to do it on my own. Just having a look at everything that came inside the box now. So let's start with the seat. The seat's something that I wanted to go for. I go for quite long rides and it's nice just to sit down, enjoy the ride. Quite a good seat. Bit of suspension on it. Nice thumbs up from me. So just peeling away some more packaging. Everything's all brand new, well protected, undamaged. So let's just stand up the scooter for the first time. Just be careful of the handlebars because they need attaching. So it might swing around a bit. Just going to undo some more little bits there. So inside these boxes the chargers, 60 volt 5 amp chargers. You get two of them, so you can charge the batteries up at 10 amps, and I believe you can charge the scooter up from 0 to 80% in around about 4 to 6 hours, which is pretty good. So doing up the handlebars now is pretty easy. The scooter comes with its own little toolkit, so all you have to do is undo 3 little bolts, remove the top cap, slide over the handlebars, and then put the top cap back on, and do up your 2 screws on each side. Just make sure your handlebars are nice and straight and it's the right level that you want it. You can adjust the handlebars up and down, but that looks pretty nice to me. So not a lot of assembly out of the box, just the handlebars and the seat. So just going to peel away some more packaging. Everything's all checked over. Let's have a little look and admire it. Lovely. The scooter does come with some accessories. We've got front pouch, air pump, phone holder, lock, toolkit, 2 5 amp chargers and the LED remote. And it also includes some extra screws just in case you need them. So I did decide to add my own handlebar grips. Just for comfort really. The ones that came with the scooter are perfectly acceptable, really good quality, but I just fancied these ones because they've got a bit more of an ergonomic grip. So that's these installed. I also decided to install some mirrors just so I can see behind me without having to look over my shoulder. So there they are, and with the phone holder all attached as well. It's a really good phone holder, I had no problems with it at all. So that's my unboxing video complete. Here's just a few pictures of my first ride with a nice jet behind it. It's a really nice scooter. I found it really comfortable to ride in mode 2 in comfort mode. It gets a nice throttle control and you can twist the throttle and turn it into beast mode, but overall really happy with the service from Quickwheel, so thank you very much. And yes, I love this scooter. It's really comfortable to ride. Same minimal bits to put together to get it going, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. So thanks for watching, and I'll put a link to the scooter in the description below so you can check out the stats and maybe order one for yourself. But until then, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time, hopefully for some onboard riding videos. So take care everyone, see you soon.